Let's see what have you got. Let's see. Can I see?
Yeah.
Show it to me. Come here.
Red Ranger.
Let's see. What is this?
Drone.
This is drone?
Yeah. This is drone.
This is a little drone.
Little drone.
Mini drone copter.
Mini
This is 16.99 pounds. Do you like it, Aniq?
Yes.
Okay, what else do you like?
This.
Like that one? What is it?
This is, I don't know.
Zip shot.
It's shot.
It's called dual zip shot.
Let's shot.
Okay. Let's see what else we got here.
I like this.
What is it?
This is a gun.
What kind of gun is it? Let's see.
I don't know.
It's ballistic blaster.
Blaster.
Which one do you like most, Aniq?
I like most this. I think that one. No, not that one. I think that one.
Which one?
That
Okay.
one.
Let's see.
That one. That.
This one right here?
Yeah.
I can reach that. That's a double dealer.
नहीं वो उसकी स्वीट बनानी है जिसकी मैं क्या I like this too. I
What
like
is this? This is Neo the Rebel. Programmable.
Not me. Toys.
Why not you?
You said toys. Okay, one time.
Alright, go ahead. Show us what you like most.
No, that one. Think that one.
Which one?
That one higher. No,
Yeah.
that one, and that one.
What is it?
That one, that, and that.
This one, I know. Can you hold it? Let me grab this for a minute. That's what we are looking at. Alright, here we go. What is it, Aniq?
This is gone.
Can you hold it for us?
I think so.
Okay. There you go.
Daddy,
You have to hold it for us.
Okay. Just a minute.
What do we have here? It's NERF double dealer. It can fire 2 dots at a time. How cool is that?
I don't know that name.
You can fire 2 bullets with it at a time.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Arham, what do you like?
Kathy.
Kathy! Where is your Kathy?
मैं तोती हूँ. मैं तोती.
Aniq, this is Aniq's favorite gun. Aniq, can you show us again?
Yeah.
Let's see. This is called
Nerf gun.
double dealer. It's a
Double
Nerf gun, I
dealer.
know. It's called double dealer.
Double dealer.
Let's see what else do we have here.
Daddy, put that.
That's a quad core drone. Do you like drones, Aniq?
Yes, I like drones.
That's 24.99 pounds.
Daddy, I need that drone. 5 years plus. Small drone, okay?
Okay.
Daddy, put that gun on that. Now you're.
We can leave it here, I think.
Okay.
Someone wanna check it out?
Okay.
Aniq, that's girls section. Look what we have there.
Ninja Turtle.
Do you like Ninja Turtle?
Yeah, I like Ninja Turtles.
Okay, what is that? What is that character over there?
Batman. Batman, my favorite Batman, and every characters.
You like every character?
Yeah.
Do you
I
like that?
every toys.
You like? I know you like all the toys, don't you?
Yeah.
Right?
I don't like that.
Yeah, that's girls stuff. We don't like that.
I like that. Up in the that.
Up in the air?
Not air.
Up on the rack?
Yes.
All right. Okay. What is it?
Is that house?
That house.
Train.
Let me take a look at that house.
Look. Train.
This house.
Train. This is train.
This is train. This is not a house. This is train. Right. It's a big train.
Yeah.
Do you like this one? Do you like?
I like that one.
Do you like construction vehicles?
Yeah.
Which construction vehicles do you like?
I like bulldozer. I like excavator.
Hold on.
I like excavator.
You like excavator? What else do you like?
I like. I tell you.
Come here.
Arrows.
Come here, Aniq. What other vehicles do you like? Construction vehicles do you like?
And that one.
What is the name of that vehicle?
I don't know.
Is it not an excavator? It is excavator,
No,
yes.
that just never excavator ko pagkara. I don't know.
This one right here? That is excavator, Aniq.
Dad, jab wo wala hai.
All right, okay.
I don't know.
You don't like you don't like these characters? These ones?
Yes.
Do you like it or not?
Yes.
Which one do you like?
I like that one.
Which one?
That.
Do you know the name of that character?
I don't know. That's not a tractor. Look.
It is a character.
Oh yeah, I don't know that correct.
You don't know, but you like it?
I think so, but I don't know his name.
That's fine. You don't have to know the name of the characters you like, or maybe you do. I don't know.
Dad, I like this arrow.
Can we take a look?
Yeah. Look,
Let's see. What is it?
arrow.
Oh, that's nice. And this is it says perfect for nighttime, so you can basically use it at nighttime.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Each have a this. One.
Yeah, that's the target, right?
Yeah.
You put it on a wall
Not
and then
that.
that's for the
Not
target.
that. No one. No.
Okay.
Okay.
Are we buying this one? Are we buying this one?
Yes.
Okay. You like it?
And buy all the toys, not girls' toys.
Okay.
Not that one.
All right. Okay. Those pink ones.
This one, all the toys. This. That I need that one, please.
What is it, Aniq? Let's see.
That gun is so.
It's a Nerf gun. I know you love Nerf guns. You are a big fan of Nerf guns, aren't you?
That I need that one too.
What is the name of this gun? Can we see?
I don't know. It can be something, but I don't
Maverick
know.
Rav
Maverick.
6
That's
and
it.
Strike.
And strike.
That looks pretty cool, man.
Daddy.
I think you deserve a better one.
Daddy.
How about these ones? Aniq?
What? I don't know. Dad, just a minute.
Yeah, you wanna put it back? That's good.
Dad,
All right.
this one, I like this one.
All right. What is it again? This one Nitro. This is called Nitro.
Nitro.
It's upside down, so you'd have to actually. Okay, there we go. That's better. Can you hold it for me?
Yeah.
That is cool. Can we see it again?
Yeah.
Can you show it? Can you turn it around? Turn it around. Not like that, Aniq.
Okay.
Just like this. Hold like this for me, please. No, it is upside down. Sorry about that. What kind of gun is it? Okay, it is actually. It's not upside down. Okay, you like that?
Yeah.
Oh, it comes with a car. It has a little car right here.
Yeah.
See this one?
This have a wheels.
I know, but you see this, it comes with a car, with a
Yeah.
little car.
Yeah.
You like that, yeah?
Yeah. Where did I put that, Daddy? Oh, I got it.
All right. I think I like this one better than anyone else.
I like that one too. I need that one.
You need that one? Why do you like it?
I like every toy.
I know you love toys, right? You would do anything for toys. What can you do for
I
toys?
like it, that one.
How? Yeah, that's for 8-year-olds. But
I
you are
need-
only 5 years old.
Please, Dad, I need 8 years.
Which
old,
one?
please. This one and this one.
Okay, we'll get it for you.
And drawn. And drawn.
Okay. Do you want me to stop making video?